Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this isometric drawing into the 3D model with the help of a part design workbench. As you can see that I have already did it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this simple part. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and now we will study our model. So if you look at our model, creating a base profile on front view will be beneficial, and it is a good practice to first create the front plane. So I will insert a body on the origin plane and select this front plane and click on sketch, and now we will use the polyline tool and we will draw this outer boundary of a C-shaped profile. So first thing which I will do is to create a horizontal line, and use the symmetricity constraint. Select this point and axis, and select horizontal dimension, and it is of a 48. And now select the line tool, select polyline and create a profile. And now make this horizontal and this is vertical. And now we will constrain it. So this is the 30, so we will select this and this, add equal, and then add a vertical dimension 30. Now give this horizontal relation, select this and add equal, and it is of a 6 mm. And select this and add a vertical dimension of a 6 mm. Now I move the dimension. So this is our front profile, and now we will come out of the sketch, go to the model tab, select sketch and click on extrude. Extrude to the distance of 90. Click on reverse, click on OK. Now we will create a half circle for this profile. So we will select this face and click on sketch, and now we will create a line, and then select a 3-point arc, select this and say merge, and select radius, and radius over 15 mm. Close it. Now select the sketch, click on extrude and extrude to the distance of 42. Click on OK. Now here this and this seems to be like a separate solid. So select the pad, click on the pad and refine, set it true. Now we will create this cut. So we will select this top face and click on the sketch, and this is of diameter 18. So create a diameter and go to the diameter and give it 18 mm. Click on close and click on extrude cut and say through all, say OK. And now we will select this top profile and click on the sketch, and now we will rotate our model and we will click on the project geometry, and here we will create a rectangle, and now we will select a polyline tool and create a profile. Now use the trim tool and trim this. Now use the symmetricity constraint, select this point and axis. Similarly select this point and axis, and now select horizontal dimension, select this point and this point 10 mm, and this point to this point is of 22. Select this and provide the vertical dimension of 21, and select this and provide the vertical dimension of 27. Now close it and create a extrusion of 24, and here it is not merged, so select the pad and set refine true, press 0. Now here is a hole, so we will select this face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, create a circle, switch to the right, project this edge, select this and this, provide the horizontal dimension of 45, and from top 13 mm, and this diameter is of 18. Now close it, select cut, and from here say true all, say OK. Now we will provide the red color to our parts, as we have successfully modeled this part. So select the last features, go to the appearances, click on the shape color, and here I will adjust color to the approximate, click on OK. So you can see that we have successfully modeled this part in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. This tutorial is designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. Your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. This is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.